And today we're going to talk about how to fix meta verification not available on Instagram. So let's first check if we are on the latest version of Instagram. That's very important. So we open the App Store. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iOS, type Instagram, and then here you can upgrade your Instagram. If you see upgrade instead of open, tap on it. Then what we need to do is to open Instagram. Let's close that. Now we tap on our profile picture at the top or at the bottom right. Then at the top right we select the three lines. Here right below order and payments you should see meta verified. If you don't see this option, like I don't see this option, that's probably because in your country it's not available yet. So what we need to do is to open a browser. I will use Chrome. Now let's open this link. I will put it in the description. Here you can see this feature may not be available in your location at this time. If this is the case, like in my case, we can't do anything about it, but you may not see this option even if you're in the right location because you don't follow other restrictions for eligibility. So for example, you should be older than or at least 18. You must be only individual profile on Instagram, so business profile are not eligible for meta verified subscriptions. You must follow terms of use and community guidelines, and here you have to have two-factor authorization enabled and other stuff. You can read them by yourself. That's pretty much it.